a the savannah, forest so dense. By the riverside, where life makes sense. Them gather in groups, 10 or 20 strong, living in harmony where them belong. Them chew the grass, water plants too. 3 keys a day, that's what them do. Herbivore style with sharp teeth for show. Capybara life, steady and slow. Capybara life, chilling in the stream, living out the wild, peaceful like a dream. Capybara call, barking like a hound, alert your crew when danger come around. Capybara life, chilling in the stream, living out the wild, peaceful like a dream. Capybara call, barking like a hound, alert your crew when danger come around. Oh, capybara life, oh, capybara life. But beware the jaguar, caiman that creep, anaconda they when you asleep. The little ones hide, ocelot might appear, and harpy eagle bring danger near. Yeah, through it all, them hold them ground in the water. Grassland life abound, social and strong, them thrive as a team. Capybara life, living the dream. Capybara life, chilling in the stream, living out the wild, peaceful like a dream. Capybara call, barking like a hound, alert your crew when danger come around. Capybara life, chilling in the stream, living out the wild, peaceful like a dream. Capybara call, barking like a hound, alert your crew when danger come around. Whoa, capybara life, whoa, capybara life. By the water's edge, reeds growing tall, capybara stand they calm through it all. Swimming so smooth, them spirits stay free. The water are them heaven, them destiny. A symbol of peace, but strong and wise. Capybara life beneath the skies. Nature's survivor, steady and true, living the life we all should pursue. Capybara life, chilling in the stream, living out the wild, peaceful like a dream. Capybara call, barking like a hound, alert your crew when danger come around.